Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got this reset network settings. So let's tap. Here your device is of course informing you what it will actually reset, so not only the Wi-Fi but also the mobile data and Bluetooth, and tap on reset network settings if you're ready. As you can see, we've got also the information that you cannot undo this action, so tap on reset if you're ready and just wait a second, because as you can see it will take a while. And from now on your device just successfully reset the network settings. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.